Crook Ramsey.
What's up, y'all? So today I'm back with a quick little video. This is my very first time touching up my very own lace wig. I usually always go to somebody, always pay somebody, but this time I wanted to try because majority of my wig is not lifted. I just went through and cleaned it, but it wasn't all the way lifted. So I'm gonna just go and try to lay it myself so I don't have to worry about, you know, trying to pay for a whole new style when I don't need that. I really love it, but it needs to be touched up in certain places. So first what I'm doing is, I'm sorry, I just jumped right into it. I've been doing this already, so I just actually finished, but I have alcohol, 100%, 91% alcohol. It's still gonna do the job. I have a few Q-tips, and I'm just gonna go under my lace with the alcohol. And I'm cleaning the areas that was already lifted. So as y'all can see, this area was lifted here. The side is kind of lifted. I actually just kind of pulled that up, but this side is straight. And then this side. Now, y'all, I don't want y'all to be discouraged because, what was I gonna say? I don't want y'all to be discouraged because some people think, oh, when you get a lace, it's gonna look messed up in a week. I'm gonna have to start over, get my hair done again. No, you don't have to do that. I bet Angela's about to come in here. Booty! Mommy is recording. What are you doing? He let you come in here on purpose. Does he know you're recording? I mean, Mommy's recording. Go tell Daddy. This is what you need to go back and tell Daddy. Say, Mommy is record. Yes, tell her she's recording and she needs time before you come back here, okay? So that's what you go tell Daddy. Go ahead. Go tell Daddy. Go. Go. How did you burst in here and I closed the door? I forgot what I was talking about, but I don't want y'all to get discouraged, and I don't want y'all to think like, damn, I'm gonna have to keep doing this to my lace. When you have lace frontals, you do have to be very high maintenance. That's the type of style that you want it, like, to look very natural, so you have to naturally take care of it as if it was your hair. With that being said, this is the simple part. Cleaning the lace. Usually people will wait until their lace is all the way off completely, take it off, look at it, have all the glue on their lace, and have to take off their cap. So this is the easy part compared to doing that and having to clean that lace off that's already old and dry that you had on there for a while. To me, even if your lace isn't completely lifted, try to go in there, girl, and get you some alcohol and just clean it up and touch it up, because you know it's gonna lift a little bit. That's just the problem. I mean, that's just the price of wearing a lace wig or lace front, okay? That's what you wanted. You wanted to look natural. So now you got natural results, okay? I mean, natural work to do. So that's the first part, y'all. I will be back and let y'all know how I lay myself down. Now, after y'all get done cleaning the lace, right? You want to check and make sure that you know what areas you're getting ready to work on. So I know I'm going to work on side part B, middle part A, and then side part C. Tried to trick me. Had me thinking she was all laid. Okay. So I've seen a lot of videos, right? And I seen a lady saying that, you know, the little got to be glue gel thing worked, but they said people don't use that no more. So, hold on, y'all. Before I go back, before I add some more, I want to go back one more time and make sure that alcohol is on there real good, because I want it like sealed. What the epic fail? Hold on. Girl, why is it coming on like this? Girl, so apparently she got 2 nozzles. If not, it's just mine. Cause she's spraying everywhere, y'all. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go back in and I'm gonna spread it in with my fingers. Or I'm gonna go get another Q-tip and do that. And I wanna let her dry. I'm gonna let Shaquita dry. You gotta let Shaquita dry, cause if not. And then after this, I'm gonna go back for a second layer. Y'all, this is my first time now. I know I'm talking like I know what I'm talking about. I'm going through the process with y'all. Okay, let me spray some more. Okay. Spray some more. So, after I let Shaquita dry, I want to show y'all how it should feel once she dry. It should feel sticky, like that. Sticky, sticky, sticky. And then, I want to try to get I'm gonna just lay that on there. Nah, I ain't tell her to lay this baby hair right there. But that's what she did, so we'll see. I put the blow dryer on cool instead of hot. So most of the time when I put it on hot, it melts right away. But I ain't wanted to melt right away just in case I have to go back and adjust some stuff. See some stuff that I want to do after. So I'm gonna go ahead and lay there. Girl, the baby hairs do what they want. The baby hairs are disrespectful. She disrespectful. See, and what I don't like, y'all, is for the lace to be on the, the baby hairs to be on the lace, and then it be a black piece of lace. Like, bitch, that's not my hairline. That's what I'm picking up right here. I'm so disrespectful. And once again, now y'all, I probably should have laid my wig on first. I mean my middle part first. But it's cool. One more time. I told y'all I sell here. I don't do here. Cause baby, let me tell you something. This look kind of crazy. Okay, so now I'm gonna go back. But first off, I want y'all to know, trust the process too, because I used to say that when I used to do my makeup all the time. Like, this shit look crazy. What the fuck? And then I started practicing so much till it started coming naturally. And I was really getting it. Okay, so what I'm doing right now is going back with the alcohol again, and I'm gonna clean the little residue glue spray. And I still want to do it with the Q-tip because I don't want to mess up what I just laid down at the same time. I'm gonna try to make it work. I don't want y'all to give up on yourselves because the old Joy would have said, forget this shit. I'm finna pay somebody to do it. But if y'all think about it, like in real life, come on. We could try. We could try to do this shit ourselves for real. Oh, you know what? Let me try this. Instead of me going back under the lace, I'm gonna spray it on top. Cause I already done went. Okay. Now I'm gonna use hot heat. Okay, so it don't look too bad, y'all. Not for a first timer. And also, let me explain that I got this HD lace from the hair store, and it was very hard to tint. Actually, it didn't tint at all. So, congratulations to my stylist, Wyatt and Tony. I'm gonna put his information in the description box below because he definitely slayed the fuck out of this lace front for me. Because this, I'm telling you, this lace front would not tint. It wouldn't. So y'all gotta be cautious of the type of hair that y'all buy. This is my first time purchasing a HD lace from the hair store. Y'all know I sell hair. I don't ever have to buy nothing from the hair store. But I did this time because it was last minute and I really needed some hair. And I saw it. It was a good price. So, but like I said, so now I'm about to go ahead and wrap down my edges so it can be sealed. This is my favorite little headband. It's cute. I got it from the dollar store. Not the dollar store. The $2 jewelry store. It's a little $2 jewelry store in the mall, right? It used to not be $2. It used to be real expensive. But the bitch know the stuff's in there so expensive and nobody ain't gonna buy it. So she went down on her prices and made everything $2. So when I got there, you know, I'm trying to buy a bunch of headbands because I love the headbands. She trying to charge me $17. I'm like, $4. Girl, wait. This is not Versace, though. Please stop playing with me. So, y'all, sometimes people pull out their baby hairs first and then do this. I'ma just lay this part down. And then to secure. Hey, booty, you back? Now, y'all, I also got this hair from the hair store, and I don't want y'all to think it's bad hair because it's really not. It's good. But I forgot the name of it. It came in like a little bundle. G. So, what I ended up doing was just going through my hair and wand curling it. And I'm glad I was on the phone during that time because it went a lot faster than it usually do. So I ended up doing that, and I could just show y'all the last part. You wanna know something crazy? I really rather flat iron my hair curl, and I don't know how to do it. As many times as I try, it'll never come out how I really, really want it. Like, I don't know why. But it don't. So what I do is sometimes I'll get the wand curl and I'll wand curl the back of my hair and the sides of my hair. And then I'll go back in and flat iron the top because that's the only thing that I know how to do, which is curl the front to get that flip. But I want to be able to curl my entire head with the flat iron and get the same curl. Because to me, flat iron curls give off way more body instead of just a curl and then you want to wait till they drop and stuff like that. Okay. Now, I'm not a hairstylist, y'all, so please do not be judgmental. What Benji Brown said. Damn, but y'all already For those of y'all who already trying to correct me. Alright, bet. Poof the hole. I can't wait for y'all to see the end results because I want y'all to see that whatever outcome I do get, bro, I don't want y'all to feel like y'all can't do it yourselves. It don't matter if it don't look like how the stylist had it. If it looks reasonable enough and it looks good on the first try, you know that you're gonna only get better after this, okay? Please, ladies, that's the message and the point of this whole entire video. My hair might not look amazing like how I want it and how I'm used to, but I did this to show y'all that even me, somebody that wants their hair A1 all the time, I will go out and do my touch-ups on my own so I can learn how to do it. I'm telling you. Either way, y'all, if the lace doesn't come out fine, just know that I did a great job on my wand girls. I didn't do any baby hairs. I'm gonna do that later. Well, I'm gonna do that once I show y'all how it look without baby hairs. Okay. Okay, Lace. Okay, Joy. Look. Girl. Gee. What? That's not bad. That's not bad. That's not bad, baby. Okay, so.
Yeah, who that? Let me see.
I'm Lavender.
That thing Slade. Let me see it. Oh, I see his forehead.
Forgot.
Oh, you want to get in here too? He want to kiss too.
Oh, you want to kiss too, Poppy? No, you don't.
Yes,
Mwah.
Your mama.